As a longtime cat owner, cleaning the litter box used to be a daily hassle. But ever since I switched to the Tonepie Smart Litter Box, it's been a total game changer. My cat adjusted quickly, and the house stays much fresher. Definitely worth the investment. Tonepie 65L Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box, a game changer for modern cat owners. Key features: fully automatic self-cleaning, say goodbye to manual scooping. This smart litter box automatically separates waste into a sealed compartment, keeping things clean and odor-free with minimal effort. Extra large 65L capacity, ideal for all cat breeds, including larger cats or multi-cat households. No need to empty the bin every day. Fully enclosed design helps control odors and provides your cat with a private and comfortable toilet space. Perfect for maintaining a clean home. Smart and safe operation, equipped with weight and motion sensors to detect your cat's presence and ensure safe cleaning cycles. App-controlled English version, monitor and manage the litter box remotely via the dedicated app, even when you're away from home. What's in the box? 1X Tonepie 65L Smart Cat Litter Box. Power cord plus accessories. English user manual. Special offer and global shipping. Fast international shipping via AliExpress. Hurry! Limited stock and great discounts available now. Shop now on AliExpress, link to see details and buy this product in the video description. If you're looking for a smart, hygienic, and convenient litter solution for your furry friend, the Tonepie 65L Smart Cat Litter Box is one of the best choices out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Best Products 365 for more of the hottest news and reviews on the latest in science and tech. Hit the bell to stay updated on our weekly uploads. Thank you very much. We wish you happiness and success.